Now children, our topic is copying text. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to make copy of the text. Okay, it's very simple. Copying text means we create duplicate. Okay, duplicate of the text. See, it's very simple. First of all, select text. You want to make copy. So heading is selected. Okay. After selection, you go to the copy command. Copy command. Okay. Here is the copy command. Home tab, clipboard group, copy command. Okay. Click over this. Okay. Just copy it. Now you bring your cursor wherever you want to place the duplicate. See. Now which command? Paste command. After copy command, we will click on paste command. Click on paste, paste. Copy, duplicate has come, isn't it? So now again click on paste, no? So again duplicate will be appeared. Understood? This way we make duplicate of the selected text. Okay. Understood now? This is called copying text. This is called copying text. It's very easy. Copy command and paste command of clipboard group of home tab we have to use. Okay. Simple. Then next topic is moving text. Text can be moved from one place to another. Okay. Now this heading, it is at the top of the page. Now I am going to move it from top to bottom. Okay. In last command we made duplicate. Now we are going to move this text from top to bottom. Select it. Done. Now which command you have to click? Yes, good. Cut command. Which command? Cut command of home tab. Click on cut. As soon you click on cut, you can see heading is disappeared. Isn't it? Now, where you want to place that text, no? Bring your cursor there. Bottom, I told you, from top to bottom. We will move this heading. Okay. Now this time, again go to the paste command. Okay. Paste command here. Click. Paste. Click. See. This heading was at the top of the page, now has come at the bottom of the page. Isn't it? So this way text can be moved from one place to another. Okay. When we use copy command, no? So it makes duplicate. It makes a duplicate. But when we use cut command, cut and paste command, so this make move. Okay, it makes moving the text from one place to another. Simple copy paste command and cut paste command. Clear? Very simple. Now next topic is given correcting spelling errors. Sometimes we do spelling mistake. Okay, suppose this one. So whichever spelling mistake is there in document, it comes with red wavy line. It appears with red wavy line. You can see here GULD. Wrong spelling. Okay, here also I am going to make it wrong. Incorrect. Backspace and board. Now you see board is not any word. So again it has come red wavy line. Red wavy line shows that this is incorrect word. Okay, now we have to correct it. So it's very simple. Place your cursor over the incorrect word, misspelled word. Cursor came. Okay, wherever you click, no, cursor comes there only. Then do right click. Right click. Now you see BORD board, BORD, BIRD, BORED. These are correct spelling words. So whichever suits in your document, you have to select that. So bird, BIRD, bird. Spelling is correct now. Here you see, place cursor, do right click. Now see gold. Gold. See, it's showing correct spelling words. Understood? Correct spelling words. Gold. Select gold. Now you can see spelling is correct now. Understood? Farmer. If I change this farmer, okay, suppose C, and in place of R, I'm going to press P. What happened? It's a wrong word now. Red line has come. Wrong word. So place your cursor over the wrong word. Do right click and see list of correct words. Farmer or farmer? Which one you want? Farmer. According to my story, I want farmer. Okay. So this way we can correct spellings. Okay. If there is any grammatical or punctuation mistake, so those also can be checked. Understood? Simple. It's very simple. Okay. Correct spelling. 2 steps you have to follow. Okay. If you have to correct spelling in the whole, 8 minutes. Let me do some misspelled word. Here. Okay, so wrong spellings are here. Clear? Now go to the review tab, spelling and correction. Here is review tab and spelling and correction, spelling and grammar. Click on this. This is the box, spelling and grammar correction box. Okay. Now through this box also we can correct spelling. Okay. First one, it's showing, okay, not in dictionary means this word, it come red color, means this is misspelled. Okay. Now you have to choose correct. Where is cursor? Most or must? Which one you want? Must, है ना? Must. Then click on change. Click on change. Okay. Then next is showing egg. Okay, grammar correction. Selected, change. Then next. Next, it's showing kid. selected, click on change. Okay, then next this is found is selected, go to the change, then next change, यार now finally it will show you the spelling and grammar check is complete. Then you have to click on OK. Okay, you can see whole document, it is corrected. Okay, all red wavy lines have gone, isn't it? So through spelling and grammar dialog box, we can change, we can do correction. Okay, spelling and grammar option, it is part of proofing group. You can see here proofing group. Okay, proofing group, review tab, proofing group, spelling and grammar. Okay, I hope you understood. There are two methods of correcting spell. If too many spelling mistakes are there, so go to the review tab, proofing group and spelling and grammar option. Then dialog box will appear, it will show all errors with its correct spelling list, and click on change, keep clicking change. Okay, and finally it will show you message spelling and grammar correction check is complete. Click on OK, finished. Okay, if there is one or two words mistake, so do right click on the incorrect word, pop-up list of correct words will appear, choose the correct word. Okay, so two methods are there for correcting spelling mistake. Okay, now synonyms. Synonyms means, you know it, similar meanings word. Similar meanings word. If you want to change, okay, if you want to change word with its synonym. Okay, so suppose this wife word, wife. Okay, select this word wife. If you want to change this word with its synonym, so for this, go to the thesaurus of review tab. Thesaurus is here. See, proofing group, again proofing group, thesaurus. Click on it. Right side you can see wife word, because we have selected wife word. So here you see companion, spouse, mate, these synonyms. Okay, so spouse, suppose you have chosen spouse. Okay, so select this one, there is one down arrow. Okay, click on this down arrow. It will ask you want to insert this word in document or you want to make its copy. So I'm going to click insert. Now after clicking on insert, you can see the word wife now has been changed into spouse. Okay, did you understand? Now see this word farmer. Okay, farmer word selected. Okay, write in this search box farmer, Farmer, farmer. Okay, so farmer. Okay, these are synonyms of farmer: planter, cultivator, grower. Okay, planter, cultivator, grower. So these are synonyms of farmer. So now what you have to do, if you want to change with its synonym, so click that one cultivator. Suppose I am choosing a cultivator. Go to this box, down arrow. Down arrow. Okay, click on insert. Now you can see the word farmer now has been changed into cultivator. Okay, so through the thesaurus feature, no, words can be changed into its synonym and antonyms. Is it clear? Okay, and there is a shortcut key to bring this dialog box, no. F7, shift plus F7, shift plus F7 is a shortcut key to open thesaurus option. Clear? Simple. It is very simple. Change word with its synonyms. Clear? Now last topic, it is given undo and redo. Undo and redo. Undo and redo button, you know this, isn't it? Quick access toolbar. Undo and redo buttons are present. Control plus Z, shortcut key for undo. Okay. Control plus Y for redo. Okay. Here is undo. So whatever I did in my last command will be undone. Undo. What is undone? Cultivator word again has been changed into farmer. Okay. Last command I changed word farmer into cultivator. Now through the undo command, cultivator word changed into farmer. Now if I'll go to the redo command, redo, click on redo, again cultivator has come. Understood? Undo and redo. Redo, undo. This is undo. Okay. Last command undone. Okay. And redo will undone the last undo command. Okay. I hope you understood undo and redo command. Okay. Whichever mistake has been in last command, that can be corrected through undo. And if in undo you have done some mistake, so that can be corrected through redo. Simple. I hope you understood this chapter. Keyboard shortcuts are given. Children, keyboard shortcuts are always important. Okay, learn these keyboard shortcuts for exam. Learn your question answers. Okay. This is chapter we have done, third chapter. Okay. Next class, next video, I will start your fourth chapter, formatting in Word. Okay. Till then, bye.